Welcome back to Nature's Glory Cabin. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We had some hurricane damage from Hurricane Helene when it came through the area. This is October the 5th, 2024, and we're going to show some of that here and in relationship to the backcountry byway. We are on County Park, which is not technically on the backcountry byway. It is actually adjacent to it, and a lot of folks use it. You can see here from the map how you can get to it. It's on the north side of the dbbb. And you take Highway 460, and County Park is in the back of Menifee County Park. And we're going to have some video here of all the downed trees and things that we encountered along the way. Chainsaw time. As you can see here, we've already come up on our first downed tree. It's one big tree, but it's a huge one, and it took us a while to get it out, probably about an hour. I had my electric Ryobi 10-inch chainsaw, and Matt had his steel gas-powered chainsaw that was brand new. He had just picked up the night before, and we are going to get into this and get this cut out and move right along to what'll be another one as time goes along. We got several big ones and 2 or 3 little bitty places, but some of these were pretty good size. So hope you enjoy this and follow along. Well, you can see we finally got it cut out and we're going through. You can see there were still a few little branches here and there that were down. We had to stop for them and get them out of the way. But here we're coming up on where we usually take a bypass, and there's a tree down here in our way. So we're going to have to go down some ruts that we don't normally go down. If you watch the full video, it'll be coming out a little bit later. You'll see when we do that. And then here's another one across. It's not a great big deal, and a little electric chainsaw makes short work of it. These little things aren't a great big deal, but we have some major stuff coming up. Watch out for it. Okay, and here now we're pulling up to our second major blockage. You can see this across the road. There's quite a few trees across the trail in the road. We're going to end up going down the creek here and cutting out a bypass for us. It seemed to be easier. We were running out of fuel in the gas-powered chainsaw, so we decided to conserve fuel and cut out as little as we had to. So we went through the creek down here and cut us a bypass, and we're going to show us coming up through that bypass and back onto the trail here in just a minute. Well, and wouldn't you know it, just as soon as we get back up on the trail, we don't go another, I don't know, 100 feet, and we got another blockage. We got a tree down here, and there's no way to get around it. It's a tree with a whole bunch of little stuff mixed in it. You can see some pictures here a little bit. And once we get this cut out, which we do, we notice there's a major one on the other side, probably 20, 30 feet high, and we just don't have the time or equipment to cut it out. So after we get finished with this one, we turn around and we head right back up. There'll be a video coming out a little bit later on that has the full detail, and of course it'll have this storm damage in it also. Just want you to know that County Park, as of this, is still blocked. Some of the areas are huge. Hope everybody enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.